It's that time again. RealReal unboxings. Saturday Sustainable Secondhand Savings Steal of a Deals from the RealReals. We got a big box, a lot of stuff in here. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. Shopaholic Saturday Savings Deals. Okay, you guys, this is stuff. First of all, I have all this stuff. I do not need more of this stuff. I don't even use the versions of these that I have. They're still unopened, unused. And this is just another example of my Shopaholic, that I just get this urge, this need, this craving, and I can't. It's like a mental, I think that I actually learned about this a little bit about in like AA, but like you have a craving and it's like almost like a mental thing that you can't, your mind is like, you can't control it and you crave it and then you want it and you get it. And I think this is with shopping. I get the instant gratification and I have to get it. I like the instant gratification, I have to get it. A lot of this stuff I got to just see what it's like because I wanted to see the prices were good, the deal was good, and it's used, and some of it's old and vintage and different leathers and things like that I wanted to see. But again, I have all this stuff, but they're all new and I don't use them, and these are used, so I'm gonna try. Maybe this, because they're already used, I'll use them. I tend to use things that are used a lot more easily than new things. So we're gonna open this, unbox it, anyway, and we'll talk about it and review them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick unboxing of stuff I got from the RealReal during the sale, Black Friday or whatever. Secondhand savings steals, Saturday secondhand savings steal of a deals, sustainable shoppings, shopaholics from the RealReals. Okay, so if that's some of your shit, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. I'll unbox them and then we'll talk about them. Okay, so we're gonna go through them one by one. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I already unboxed everything. There's 6 things. We're gonna go through each of them. Here's 2, but we'll go from small to largest. So that one last, this one second to last. But I put all the other things in here. Now, again, these are all things that are small, and I actually really like everything I got this time. I thought I was gonna have to return some of these things. They're all in different leathers that I wanted to try that I've not tried. Most of them are from Hermes. Actually, they're all from Hermes minus this one. And yeah, okay. So first thing I got was this tiny little Bastia coin purse, which I've actually never gotten a Bastia coin purse. Have I got a Bastia? I don't have any Bastias. I don't have a Bastia. I don't have any Bastias. Do I? Have I ever bought one? No, I've only had Cali's. Anyway, it's a coin purse, which I ended up using my Cali as a coin purse. So this is gonna be great because I can actually use it. You're supposed to put all your coins in here and then like drop them down into here so you can pick it out. I thought the condition was gonna be worse. It said fair. I mean, it does have some wear, but it's Epsom and it's white. So I kind of really like that. And it was $100. So yay. Next, this one I'm really, really intrigued by because I love the colors, but I don't know how I would ever use it because it's so small, but I don't really care. Is this tiny little, it's a Verso box agenda cover for like very, very small. I don't even know, this is smaller than my mini. So I don't know what kind of papers I can put in here. It's too small for the passport, but I just loved that it was red box. It's very worn with the contrast black stitching. And then on the other side, it's black with the red contrast stitching, okay? Like, I guess I could just even put some like money in here, right? Should be like a little Euro pouch. The black box, there's something so nice about black box leather. It's just chef's kiss, okay? So I got that. I think also $100. Again, don't know how I'm gonna use all these things or what I'm gonna use these for, but that's okay. Then I got another one of these, which I got because I like the box one that I got last time, the green box one that I got last time, but it's also contrast, it's a Verso with purple inside, which I thought was cool, and it was also like $100 or $98. It does have a stain right there and right there, but that's okay. This can also work as a passport cover. So, dual function. Again, I need to buy like these little spiral thingies to put in here because I have to find where to get them because I don't have anything, and I don't think Hermes sells that kind anymore because they don't make this anymore. Hermes doesn't make this at all. Also, this is a different leather too. I want to say it was Courchevel or something else. It's not Epsom, but so I wanted to kind of test out and see what this leather was like, okay? That's that one. Next we have, okay, this one was a 2-for-1, so I feel like I saved and it was stale. It is another one of these Ulysses, which I have, and like I said, this is one of the ones that I have and I never use. I have 3 of these. I've had them all initialed and I never use any of them. They all have paper inside of them and everything. I bought refills for the paper. I bought a calendar. Maybe I'll make this my calendar for next year because I have the calendar refill. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this my calendar refill. I think it's in here somewhere. I think it's that one. Shall we check? Yeah. See? Unused calendar. Okay, we're gonna use this for 2025 because why not, right? This is gonna be, Yes. So I have 60 days to use all this paper for something else, right? So this is unused in here too. Perfection. And also that paper inside is like 50 bucks. So really this was a 200 and then normally 285 plus 50 bucks. So 3 whatever for 2 whatever. So $100 savings. Boom. You're welcome. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Next, I saw this at Saint Laurent and they didn't get it. And then they actually had it at the outlet and I still didn't get it. And I don't remember what the outlet price was. I might've paid more than the outlet price, but whatever. It's this little pouch with a leopard, zebra, whatever, leopard, cheetah, black and red. I love. Cheetah, I love. Gold hardware, pouch in leather, brand new for stuff to go in one of my other bags, obviously. Or it's a little statement, little red pouch. And it matches all my little inserts too that are this colored, cheetah color too. So win, win, double win. Although I don't know if this is ever going in the insert, but it could. It could be part of the insert. I love this one. Okay, yay. And this was like $150. And the last one is this one, which is old. I think it's so old. I don't know if this is how Hermes used to do it, but it says Faubourg Saint-Honoré Paris here, which the boxes never, ever say. Bags only say, and only sometimes some of the bags say. Like this bag doesn't say, but other bags say. So I don't know. This could be, it doesn't say 24, it just says Faubourg Saint-Honoré. So it seems a little iffy, but I like it so much and it was so cheap, so I don't care. And it came all packed with the little resort and this little, who knows what this is, oh, the instructions on how to use it, and its dust bag, and everything else. So again, win in my book. Okay, so I already put my thing inside, but it's so cute. And it's a different leather too. I don't know what the leather this is either, but I forget. I think it's like, maybe this was Courchevel. Anyway, it's a iPad case slash stand for the iPad that I never use, but now maybe I will use. Sickness, shopaholic sickness. I can't. I don't need any of these things. I don't. Why did I get it? Because I couldn't help myself. But like, there's something so nice about this little black, and it feels nice, and it like looks nice, and like, it just elevates a little bit of elegance, right? A little classy, casual. I'm gonna learn how to use this because I don't know how to use these. So I guess it's time to learn how to use this. So I'm gonna set this up now because it's not even set up. It literally is not even set up. Okay, that's all I got. Yeah, that is all I got. That's it for today, Saturday Steals. You guys, I'm going to get my bag. I'm very excited. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I can't really say anymore. It's just very, very exciting. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna try to post more, like I said. Try to be consistent. So this is day 2 of me being somewhat consistent. Consistency is key, right? Okay. Anyway, that's all I got. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hate it, share with your enemies. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye. Bye.